Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I want to take a math class for class 8 and our topic is Pythagoras theorem. Look, at first I will state the Pythagoras theorem. The statement is, in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of other two sides. Okay, what is the statement? In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of other two sides. Okay, now we will prove this. Look, the figure PQR is a right angle triangle where QR equal to A, PQ equal to B and PR equal to C. Okay, look, in a right angle triangle we have to prove that PR is square. That means this is hypotenuse is equal to, this is perpendicular PQ square and QR, this is base is square, or PR means what? C square, PQ equal to B square and QR square, QR equal to A square. Okay, that means we have to prove this. Now we need construction. Listen, produce QR to S. Produce QR to S so that RS equal to B equal to PQ. Listen, produce QR to S so that RS equal to B equal to PQ. Then draw a perpendicular ST on produce QR. Okay, here ST equal to QR equal to A. Okay, now join RT and PT. Now we prove this theorem. Look, you observe here, I will compare PQR and TRS between these two triangles. Listen, PQR and TRS. In this triangle, PQ equal to B, this equal to RS. QR equal to A equal to ST. Okay, and the angle PQR, that means this is right angle triangle, PQR equal to TSR. TSR. Look, PQR, this is right angle. Similarly, TSR, this is also right angle. So, these two angles are equal. Observe here, look, to one side equal and another angle equal. So, we can say that these two triangles are congruent. That means we can say PQR congruent TRS. That means these two triangles are equal. That's how we can say PR equal to TR. Okay, this equal to C. Similarly, this angle QPR equal to this angle TRS. Okay. Now again look, QPR plus QRP, this is equal to one right angle, because we know the sum of the three angles of a right angle triangle equal to 180 degree. Okay. So we can say QPR plus QRP. This is equal to what? Must be one right angle. Okay, look, I have written QPR equal to TRS, right? TRS plus QRP. Observe carefully, TRS, that means this angle, plus QRP, that means this angle. Observe carefully, as this is right angle, that means 90 degree. So TRS plus QRP, that means this angle to this angle equal to must be one right angle. Therefore we can say PRT, this is equal to what? That means say PRT must be right angle triangle. Okay, right? Therefore PRT is a right angle triangle. Okay, dear student, hope you understood up to this. Now, we know the area of parallelogram. Dear student, do you know what is the area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram equal to half into parallel sides into height. Okay? Look. Now, look, PQ is perpendicular on QS. Look. Similarly, TS is perpendicular on QS. Okay? Therefore, we say PQ parallel ST. Hence, we can say that PQ ST is a trapezium. Therefore, write PQ ST is a trapezium. Okay? Listen, this trapezium is composed of PQR triangle plus PRT triangle and TRS, this triangle. I repeat again, PQST trapezium is composed of PQR plus PRT plus RST, these three triangles. Okay? Now, we know area of trapezium equal to area of trapezium equal to area of region PQR plus region PRT plus region TRS. Okay, or we know area of trapezium equal to half into sum of parallel sides. Looks, parallel side is PQ plus ST into height. Here height is QR. Here height is QR plus RS. That means we say simply QS. Okay, right, QS equal to region of PQR. That means area of PQR. We know PQR equal to half into base into height or perpendicular is B. Similarly, PRT half into base also C, height also C, plus you see C and C, and region TRS half into base into height. Okay, listen, here is half. Okay, we cancel half on the both sides. Okay, now put PQ equal to what? PQ equal to B plus ST equal to A. Now QS equal to what? I told you QR plus RS, that means A plus B equal to AB plus C square, C into C square, AB. Or multiply now, B into A, AB plus A square plus B square plus AB. Now using transportation law, plus AB, that means equal to C square, or AB reduced, AB and AB reduced, then A square plus B square equal to C square. That is, we can write A equal to what? A equal to QR square plus B equal to what? B equal to PQ square and C equal to what? PR square. Okay? Look, we have to prove that PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. Looks, here also same. PQ square, QR square, PR square. Okay? So, in this way, the Pythagoras theorem is verified. Okay, dear student, hope you understood my discussion. And remember that practice makes a man perfect. So, we practice more and more. Stay safe. See you again.